One's in here coming after it.
Oh boy, Callie, what'd you get for Christmas? Huh? What'd you get for Christmas? Huh? Can Mommy see it? Oh, what a cute little fox. Look what a cute little fox. Oh, ain't you adorable?
Come on. You come get yours. Come on.
Ain't you adorable, Callie?
Mama, open yours up.
Yeah, ain't you adorable?
Open mine up, Mama.
Lucky.
Oh, he's gonna dig one of them out.
Oh, look what we got here, Lucky. Lucky, looky here. Looky here, Lucky. Looky here. Oh, boy.
Get your hand out in front of it, by side. I'll let Tigger out because of Lucky. So when you get done with them, I'll bring him back.
Oh, Lucky. What you got, Lucky? Let's see what's in here. Oh, my goodness. Look at there. Look at there, Caddy. Let's see what's in here. Oh, my goodness, Lucky. Look at there. Look at there, Lucky. You done playing, Callie? Hi, are you done playing? Huh? You done playing with yours? You done playing? Get him, Lucky. Oh, got another purple fox. A raccoon. Yeah, it's a raccoon. Yeah, it's another purple raccoon, just like the one you got. Yeah, it's another purple raccoon. See, Lucky? See, it's another purple raccoon. Callie, you done passed out, girl. Ooh, got a blue one. We got a blue one. You want to play with this one, Lucky? Huh? It's hard to get these things open and hold the camera, too.
That's a good picture of you, Tigger. That's
Tiggy. That's yours, Tiggy.
You want to try him? Ain't got no catnip in it.
That's catnip infused.
But it don't smell. He got a squirrel.
Tiggy, smell that one.
Oh. Tiggy. Hey, Tigger. Hey, look. Tigger. Hey. Look. There's a squirrel up there.
Now that was funny.
I don't go starting nothing with Lucky now. He's done over it. Here. Get your squirrel.
Get your squirrel, Tiggy. Get the squirrel. I guess Lucky's gonna take over the squirrel. And you know something, Lucky wasn't even playing with the squirrel until Tigger got back here.
Mm-hmm. That's what usually goes, jealousy. Tigger was holding on to a stocking. He pulled it by the corner.
Oh, y'all look so cute. Oh my goodness, Callie. You done went to sleep, ain't you, girl? Callie. Callie. Are you going to sleep? You got two toys laying here on you. You gonna go to sleep? Hmm? They gonna sleep with you? The raccoon and the fox gonna sleep with you? What's up, Lucky? Huh? What's up, Lucky? You like your Christmas? You like your big cactus scratcher? Huh? Look at this thing. That thing's massive. Tiggy. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. We gonna play? Huh? They gonna play your Christmas? Hmm. You getting sleepy too? Look here. Look at all these toys. Ain't you so adorable? Yeah, you just so adorable, Diggy. Look at there. Yeah, look at you, Diggy. Look at you. You got a purple and blue raccoon. You got a squirrel sitting on your back. You got a stocking. A catnip stocking. Yeah. It's a catnip stocking. Well, Santa went out this year. He went all out for y'all kitties. Yeah. He wanted to make you kitties happy. Oh. I'll let you go to sleep, Tiggy. I'll let you go to sleep. Go, Tiggy. Go, Tiggy. Poor baby. You get sleepy. Poor little Tiggy. Go to sleep, baby. Go to sleep. Yeah, Mama loves you. You going to sleep over here, huh? Callie. You done going off to sleep too, huh? I guess so. Say Merry Christmas, YouTubers. We're going off to sleep. All got left in here is Tigger and Callie.